Marcus Aurelius was arguably the most powerful man in the world. During his reign as Roman emperor, he commanded vast armies, oversaw a sprawling empire, held the power of life and death over millions. Yet in the quiet hours before dawn or in the lamplight of his campaign tent, he was not an emperor, but a student of philosophy, and most importantly, a student of himself. He wrote short notes, not for an audience, but for his own reflection. These notes, which we now call the Meditations, form a timeless guide to one of life's great questions. Who am I? He wrestled with this amidst plague, war, and personal loss, a search not for quiet times but for surviving turbulent ones. One of Marcus's foundational lessons is the inner citadel, the fortress of your mind, the one place no external event can conquer. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. It teaches us to distinguish the world outside from the world within. We react to comments, jams, headlines, mistaking them for the source of distress. The Stoics say it's not events, but our judgments that cause suffering. Build your inner citadel by observing thoughts without becoming them. When anger, fear, or anxiety arises, recognize them as internal events, not reality. Create a gap between stimulus and response. In that space lies freedom and the power to choose. Know your triggers and stories. Map your mind's patterns. You are not your thoughts. You are their observer, the commander of the citadel. This fortress is built daily, with pauses, check-ins, and practice composure. Marcus emphasized a core Stoic tool, the dichotomy of control. Life divides into what we can and cannot control. What can we control? Our thoughts, our judgments, our choices, our actions, and our will. That's it. What can we not control? Others' opinions, the weather, the economy, our health, our reputation, and the past. Apply the filter. Invest energy where it matters. Stop spending it where it can't. Most anxiety comes from trying to control the uncontrollable. Let go of outcomes. Dedicate yourself to character and integrity. Control what you can. Preparation, practice, presentation, and kindness. Your worth is in your effort, not the result. This is self-mastery. Amor fati, the love of one's fate, not resignation, an enthusiastic embrace of reality. Marcus saw a vast, interconnected cosmos. Every event, however painful, plays a role. A blazing fire makes flame and brightness of all it receives. Treat every moment as material, good, bad, and ugly. A colleague trains patience. Illness teaches mortality. Failure builds resilience and humility. Ask not, why me, but how can I use this? Take the raw material of life and build. Say yes to what is, and find freedom, gratitude, and wholeness. See the beauty of the whole tapestry, dark threads included. Learn to know and love your entire self, not just the easy parts. For Marcus, self-knowledge was tied to action. You know yourself by what you do. Act with justice, courage, moderation, and wisdom, not lofty ideals, daily guidelines. Ask, what is the right thing to do right now? Define your values. Honesty, compassion, discipline, integrity. Start with a short, visible list. Your values become a blueprint for who you intend to be, then translate values into concrete actions. Compassion looks like patience, generosity, restraint. Discipline wakes on time, finishes tasks, chooses the healthy option. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts and its actions. Each aligned act reinforces your character. You don't find yourself, you build yourself, one virtuous action at a time. Stoic wisdom is meant to be lived. Begin with morning reflection. Before phone and email, take 5 to 10 quiet minutes. Ask, what is my most important task? Which virtues will I practice? What challenges might arise? Set intention to be proactive, not reactive. Create a dichotomy of control list. On the left, write, my effort, my attitude, my kindness, my honesty. On the right, traffic, opinions, weather, outcomes you don't own. Review daily, focus energy where it matters. End the day with an evening review, not guilt, a coach's eye. Learn and adjust. Celebrate small wins. Track steady growth. When caught in small or big storms, practice the view from above. Imagine rising above your life, home, city, nation, then the whole planet. How big is the problem now? Perspective reduces anxiety, loosens ego, and restores calm. Marcus practiced the view from above, katascopy, an imaginative exercise to escape the narrow ego. See continents, oceans, and countless lives unfolding. From above, slights and deadlines diminish. Remember your place in time's vast sweep. Empires rise and fall. Lives are lived and forgotten. Foster sympathia, our deep interconnectedness. You are not an island, but a wave, a thread in the whole. When overwhelmed, close your eyes, breathe, and rise above until calm returns. Problems remain, but now you meet them with wisdom, courage, and a tranquil mind. Memento mori? Remember you must die. Not morbid, clarifying. You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do, say, and think. Death filters trivial from essential. Would you spend your last days scrolling or stewing or living and loving? Knowing time is finite moves you to act and to love. Strip the non-essential, clarify values. Gratitude for small wonders transforms your days. Legacy is character and impact, not monuments. Memento mori illuminates life, urging kindness, integrity, courage, and self-knowledge. Self-discovery is a path, not a destination. Not one revelation, but incremental insights. Marcus wrote not because he knew everything, but to keep learning. He held a lifelong conversation with himself. In a citadel, control, amor fati, values, tools to sharpen daily. Some days you'll use them well, others you'll forget. Begin again. Get up, dust off, and continue without harsh judgment. Practice 3 steps. Set a virtue intention. Ask, is this within my control? Reflect on one lesson nightly. Patient, steady effort builds a resilient, examined life. Become your own best friend, wisest counsel, and kindest guide. Look inward for strength. Accept to find freedom. Choose integrity daily. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And thanks for watching.